how to change your card in Zelle. So if you have the Zelle app installed and you are also logged into your account, you want to learn how you can change your card, well, you simply have to open up the Zelle application, log into your account. Tap on the gear icon located at the top left corner of the screen right there. And once you tap on the gear icon from there, under general account settings, you want to go to the account option. And as soon as you go to the account option, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Or on the next page, you'll find an option called switch account. So to change a card in Zelle, you first have to switch your account and add a debit card. So link a new account and add a new debit card that you want to link to. And after you've done that, enter the first name, last name, expiration date, CVV code, debit card number, and tap on the continue option to be able to change it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.